My pre board science exam isn't just 2 days, and honestly, I am not even close to ready. Notes unfinished, chapters half read, formulas floating somewhere in my brain, basically a whole mess. And somehow, this exact panic always becomes my biggest motivator. And look, I'm not perfect, neither do I try to be. I just give whatever I have, even at the last minute, and accept whatever the result shows. So, today, I am taking you through how I am preparing for my science pre boards in this last 2 days, raw, realistic, and exactly how it's happening. And hey, I'm Apti. Welcome and welcome back to a new vlog. So I had 2 days, 18th and 19th November, and my science pre-board was on 20th. On 18th November, I finally sat down and made my to-do list of what chapters I'm going to revise and everything. I started with chemistry first, and of course, Prashant Bhaiya's lecture came to rescue. While watching, I wrote some quick sticky note pointers, honestly, more like tiny survival notes that actually short notes kind of. Then I took a small tea break, and after that I practiced few questions. I also made a revision sheet again. That means all those chapters, topics which I have to give revise again once before I enter the exam hall. Having some chips and chocolate breaks in between, I added a few extra notes on the side because I know I'll forget otherwise. So, after that, I moved on to the next two chapters, and the cycle continued in the same way. Ticking off the chapters according to the plan from the to do list is a very good, it feels really very soothing and happy. Well, yeah, that's how I was doing it. It was a very time taking process. Now, while I was studying, I kept thinking about something. We always wait for the perfect study day, the perfect mood, perfect notes, and energy. But honestly, real progress never happens on perfect days. It happens exactly on days like this, when you are tired, underprepared, scared, and still choosing to sit down and try. Now, while I was studying, as it was a late night study, so coffee is must. So here's my go-to coffee recipe. Now back to what I was saying. I was saying that people don't realize this, but last minute effort is not a weakness. It's actually the proof that you don't quit. Even when things don't go as planned, and trust me, these 2 days, messy, panic filled study sessions sometimes teach you more discipline than an entire month of calm studying. So, if you're also watching this and you also feel behind, then breathe. You're not failing, you are learning what your brain can do under pressure. And you are still in the game, which already puts you ahead of so many who just gave up. So, don't underestimate the chapters you touched today, and don't underestimate the courage it takes to continue. And don't ever think you're not capable, because half the magic happens right now, exactly in moments like this. But one more thing I would love to say, that is, don't start something new, very new, just a day before your exam. That means don't start any new chapter before the exam or even any new topic, because this will make you more confused and you will start forgetting whatever you read previously. So it's better to not start anything and master all whatever you have done previously. And relating to this, I would love to mention a mistake which I did in this exam of science, especially in the physics case. Like, जो मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट वाला चैप्टर है वो मेरा पहले नहीं हुआ था. सो आई थॉट कि लास्ट वाले दिन जब मेरे को पैनिक होने लगा, सो आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट चैप्टर. Now I started, that was good, but I ended up in messing up the whole exam of physics, especially for that one chapter. क्योंकि मैं लास्ट मोमेंट में उसको कंप्लीट करने का सोच रही थी. आई ट्राइड, हुआ नहीं. ऊपर से पिछले का जो चैप्टर्स मैंने रेडी करके रखे हुए थे वो सही से रिवाइज नहीं हुआ. दैट्स वाई माई होल साइंस एग्ज़ाम वेंट रियली बैड दिस टाइम. जब मैं रिज़ल्ट वाला वीडियो या तो फिर इसी वीडियो में जब पेपर रिव्यू का सेक्शन होगा तो तब आप लाइक देखना, तो आई विल मेंशन दैट हाउ वर्स द एग्जाम ऑफ फिजिक्स वेंट दिस टाइम, एंड दैट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ माई मिस्टेक. पहले तो वो चैप्टर हुआ नहीं था मेरा, तो मैं लास्ट दिन में करने बैठी. उस चैप्टर का तो सही से हुआ नहीं, बाकी चैप्टर्स का रिवीजन भी मैं ठीक से नहीं कर पाई. सो इट्स अ वेरी बिग मिस्टेक आई डिड, एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट कि आप में से कोई भी प्लीज़ ऐसा मिस्टेक मत करना. सो माई मोटिव बिहाइंड मेकिंग दिस वीडियोज़ आर टू पॉइंट आउट वट मिस्टेक्स आई एम डूइंग, so that you guys don't make it and neither I repeat them. So that's the reason why I make these kinds of videos. And now let's come to the paper review. So this is the paper. As I mentioned, it wasn't really good, it went worse because of the physics. अब मैं उसको reason नहीं दूंगी कि ये excuses and all. It was totally my mistake कि मैंने पहले से chapter ready नहीं करा और last moment में I started panicking, and फिर हड़बड़ी में जल्दी जल्दी में सब करने के चक्कर में it went really worse. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम से आई वर्क हार्ड, स्पेशली फिज़िक्स के सेक्शन में और बायोलॉजी के एमसीक्यूज़, क्योंकि वो थोड़े से ट्विस्टेड ट्रिकी थे, तो वहाँ पे लाइक a good sum of my marks will be deducted. Now physics, it really went worse, and because कुछ diagram based questions थे जो मैंने practice नहीं करी थी, so because of that my marks got deducted and it went really worse. सो नाउ आई रियलाइज माई मिस्टेक एंड आई एक्सेप्ट कि हाँ भाई मेरी ही गलती थी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़ कि भाई मेरी ही गलती थी, कोई एक्सक्यूज़ नहीं. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली मेरे एग्ज़ाम ख़राब गए हैं. सो इन द नेक्स्ट एग्ज़ाम अभी एक और प्री बोर्ड्स होंगे, उसके बाद डायरेक्ट बोर्ड्स. तो इन द नेक्स्ट प्री बोर्ड्स मैं अपनी सारी गलती को सुधार लूँगी. लाइक आई विल नॉट मेक देम, like I will not repeat them again, and yes, I will do better next time. Finger crossed, and I will work hard. But कुछ ऐसा मेरा पेपर रहा है, बाहर से सुनने को मिला है कि प्री बोर्ड्स का पेपर टफ तो बना था, फिज़िक्स भी थोड़ी सी ट्रिकी थी बाकियों का, बट दैट डजंट मैटर. इट्स माई प्रिपरेशन दैट शुड मैटर, नॉट द क्वेश्चन पैटर्न और टाइप. So yeah, that's it. That's it for this amazing video. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, subscribe, like, share, and bye.